Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Few of you have asked me that now we feel motivated, but what about concentration? We are unable to concentrate. Before answering that, I want to tell you why I started this Monday motivation. First reason, Monday is the first day of the week. And second, normally when you get motivated, you stay motivated for a day, two or three, and then gradually your motivation decreases. So to stop that and to boost up your energy, I come up with a video every Monday so that you always feel motivated and you keep on improving. Now, what the real problem is, as you all said, that you have started studying, means you got till the chair, you took the book in your hand, but now the problem is your mind is somewhere else. That is, you're unable to concentrate. Reasons can be many. One, your family. Most of you are living with family and your family is expecting you to spend time. That's completely okay, guys. फैमिली भी चाहती है कि तुम उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो. दिस इज द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. इतना घर वालों के साथ कभी रहने नहीं मिला है. सो टेक इट ना, टेक इट इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. As you make timetable of studies that you have to study for so many hours, can't you give a stipulated time to your family? Your family will be happy and you will also be happy. You will not regret in future that you got the time but you were not able to spend it with your family due to exams. So spend it. And what? Phone and social sites, corona news, that is okay but limited. Do not do anything that should not be done for a long time. So use phone but for a restricted time. Now what is motivation? Motivation is something that gets you started and concentration is something that keeps you going. Literal meaning of motivation is that something that helps you in achieving anything, and concentration is 100% focus on anything. So when you are motivated, no one will stop you from concentrating, and when you are well concentrated, nothing can stop you from getting the success. It is as simple as that. So the question does not arise is that you are motivated and now you're lacking with the concentration part. Both the terms are interlinked. If you're motivated, then you will automatically concentrate. If you are 100% prepared to clear the exams, you're mentally ready to do and put all the efforts that are required, then nothing can stop you. You want success, go and get it. But do remember, nothing is free. Everything has a cost, and here the cost is lot of hard work, dedication, consistency, discipline. So pay them and you will get the success. It is as simple as that. Your future depends on your today. And your today is that you have to work hard. This time won't come again. Now at this point of time, I'm not expecting you to study for 12 hours or 14 hours. I want you to study for 8 hours, 7 hours. But when you're studying, give your 100%. Spend time with your family. It's completely okay. An hour or two, it's completely okay. In fact, after that, when you will get back to studies, you will be studying more efficiently. Family is always a support. And phone की जो problem है, that you will have to control on your own. And corona news, instead of checking news again and again and making predictions, do not do that. Please stop it and use that time in a better manner. Utilize that time. Give time to your hobbies. That is one of the best thing you can do. So stay motivated, study. Do remember your future depends on your today. Once you're done, you will have all the happiness in life once you achieve your success. Once you achieve your goal, once you succeed. So for any problem, any type of help, any query, I'm always there. Stay motivated, study hard. This time won't come again, this opportunity won't come again. So utilize it in the best possible way, manner. Thank you. All the best.